यू नो अबंडेंस की वजह से हमेशा लगता है कि देयर समवन आउट देयर बेटर, एंड उसकी वजह से जब कभी कोई मिलता है उस टाइम पे भी यू डोंट
गिव योर 100%.
लाइक हाँ और कोई भी होगा, राइट? बिकॉज आई वाज रीडिंग अनदर स्टैट व्हिच सेड कि every 1 out of 102 people on dating apps or in general life who start dating, they prefer starting the relationship with situationship or casual thing even when they're really romantic in their hearts, because they don't want to take a chance that what if someone is better out there for me, so I don't want to settle, so I don't want to give clear instruction and full commitment to this person,
Right.
because I have hope
Yes.
that someone out there is better. So I would start with little casual thing, because I'm happy telling myself and her or him that this is a dilemma. Don't be so sure, don't be so unsure. बीच में हम लोग कहीं पर हैं, because मेरे को उम्मीद है कि कोई और better है. It's not that you are wrong. It's not that you're not perfect. It's not that we are not vibing. It's just that I have hope that maybe there's someone else out there. But if you look at the reality, the love index, there was another study done. Every generation is getting more romantic,
Yes.
right? Gen Zs are way more romantic than millennials
Yes.
or than baby boomers, right? Like
Yeah,
we are way more romantic. But Gen Zs have this fear that what if our romance and our effort is going on a wrong person?
Yes.
So I want to wait till I get that person. And that just fucks up, and it's fucked up at so many level कि मैं मेरे अंदर की जो रोमांटिक फीलिंग है, जो रियल फीलिंग है, वो किसी एक को दे ही नहीं रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे हमेशा लग रहा है कि यार कोई तो और बेटर हो गई. और इस लूप में करते 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 एक टाइम बाद द डिसीजन फटीग कम्स अप. वी आर लाइक एवरीबडी इज बैड. I never introspect and be like, I didn't put 100% effort.
Right.
It was, I just thought that everybody is bad, and then I want to settle for maybe nothing or maybe something that is not meant for me.
Yeah. No, very true. I mean, lots of youngsters going in this negative spiral.
You think कि women are less casual and men are more casual?
Look, I think there are all types. I think we've met all types. So I think it's hard. I don't know. I don't know if there is one trend. I think there are different people who want different things.
Fair.
But I think what's happening, one thing which we are seeing, which which we hadn't maybe foreseen going into the research, जो हमने देखा कि काफ़ी ऐसे लोग हैं आज की डेट में जो ये सोच रहे हैं, and in fact Prashasti, I think, has done a stand-up set on this also, where she's put it in a really fun way. But there is this thing कि मैं हूँ romantic. हम रोमांटिक्स के देश हैं, राइट? हम शाहरुख और अरिजीत पे बड़े हुए हैं सब, तो हम हैं.
Agreed 101%.
Everyone wants a love marriage till they realize they can't have one, right? वो है हम में. तो
okay, ouch. But
तो पर बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो अंडर प्रेशर आर गोइंग द कैजुअल राउट, बिकॉज उन्हें लग रहा है कि that is the route, that is the path to romance. Because जो channels available हैं वो उस behavior को sort of encourage कर रहे हैं या उसके लिए tuned हैं.
जब लोग casual में enter करते हैं तब day one से intention बड़ा clear होता है कि it's casual. And जब थोड़ा सा when they are entering a little serious, a guy or the girl कोई ना कोई तो एक थोड़ा सा different behavior रहता है, where they are more putting more efforts, they are more involved, they are more romantic, less flirt. I don't know. Like, do you think so? Ki,
the
because
problem
how
is
would
when
you
it
set
happens
up
on
like
one
how
side, right? When it happens more on one side and not the other, right? I guess that's where the problem happens.
But context तो set हो ही जाता है कि एक serious एक नहीं है, right? Like I'm asking like how is it possible कि day one पे जिसके साथ तुम्हें serious होना है उसके साथ तुम context कैसे set कर सकते हो casual है? मतलब don't you think behavior, body language, the way you're available, the way you talk, the way you look at other person, everything just tells so much about your body. Like I'll tell you, right? When you look at me with my partner, right? You'll be able to tell that how am I looking at her? आई डोंट थिंक कि कोई साइंटिस्ट चाहिए आपको या कोई रैंडम एक नॉर्मल रैंडम इंसान बता देगा कि भाई ये दोनों ये कैजुअल बिल्कुल नहीं है, ये अंधा प्यार में है लड़का, राइट? एंड सेम गोज विद द गर्ल. यू कैन टेल द वे a guy will protect her, the way the guy will make sure that okay थोड़ी सी भी चीज़ नहीं हो, the way the guy will guide her, maybe hold her hand, the way he will talk to her, the way he'll try to protect her, the way he'll look at her in the eyes. वो बहुत क्लियर नहीं हो जाता है कि बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं है इनके बीच में कैजुअल. इवन इफ वो बोल रहे हैं कैजुअल है ये, बट यू कैन सी दैट द गाय इज literally simping over this girl. Like when you look at me on the party, you'll be able to see it कि ये हाँ मतलब गया gone case, right? And that's the beauty. You can't tell. How can you enter? I'm asking a question.
Yeah.
कि how can you enter in a relationship in hope कि ये आज मेरे को casual करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि मैं वो कल इससे कोई romantic चाहिए तो यही तरीका है. Do you think that happens?
Yeah, it's happening, right? I think it's the not a great apples to apples comparison, right? But there's this other sort of stereotype, right? Which one partner gets into the relationship saying मैं इसको सुधार दूंगा या सुधार दूंगी, right? वो भी होता है, right? So I think it's similar to that, right? I think when you you know, when you're attracted, like love is blind, right? When you're attracted, you'll do what it takes. So if you feel what it takes is to कि यही एक तरीका है.
Very, very interesting. You know, I was watching a reel. I don't know how true that is, but it was very fascinating for me to hear that every time a girl and a guy, when they make out and they have sex, okay, so girl releases oxytocin after the sex. Guys release dopamine and testosterone, but when they're in love, they release oxytocin. So when a guy is not in love and for the guy is only, let's say, a challenge or only a casual where he's only looking for some kind of fun, the guy is only releasing dopamine and testosterone. उसके वो कभी oxytocin और love bond और वो feeling और vibe ही नहीं create कर रहा है, उसकी body में नहीं आ रही. Where the girl is every time feeling oxytocin. That's why more number of cases where this happens, where two people get in a casual relationship where the girl says, oh, nothing, it's just casual, it's nothing casual. Then slowly she starts developing some level of feelings. And then she starts thinking that, hey, one day even he'll start building this feeling and we'll be together. But the guy never gets into it. Guy from day one is very clear that, okay, it's either I'm in feelings or I'm not. And that takes a lot of time for a guy to change it.
Very interesting.
But for a girl, it can change every time because every time she's getting more comfortable, they're having sex. Do you think so? Like it was a shocking thing for me. It was like, because every time your oxytocin is releasing more, that's a happy hormone, the comfortable and protected hormone. Every time that tops it up, the girl feels that, okay, I'm one level more secured, one level more secured, and then the bonding is happening. The guy is, every time it's happening, my dopamine is up. And then one day dopamine flats ki ab wo maza nahi aa raha hai. Because he never bonded. He was always just looking for the chase.
Yeah. No, I think we've seen this piece on looking for the chase, but this I you know, the biology behind it is super interesting, right? It explains a lot of things.
Does it make sense?
It makes a ton of sense.
अगर ऐसे और भी बहुत insightful shots और clips देखनी है तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो.